On my Greenland expedition, I brought a tube of seam grip by Gear Aid. This stuff is super important for long expeditions. Why is that? Well, funny you should ask that. You can see the side of my boot. Even though this is a ridiculously expensive Norwegian designed super tough boot, the boot sole actually started to separate on an expedition when I was skiing towards the South Pole. Check out Antarctic Tears if you want to learn about that. But right here you can see that the boot seam started to tear apart, so I glued that and I used seam grip. Now, there aren't a lot of glues that are very good at minus 40 degrees. This is actually one of them because it's very liquidy. There is Aqua Seal, which is a thicker glue, but it doesn't work as well at extremely low temperatures. But seam grip is what put my gear back together. Now, normally I would never use this, but in a pinch, if you need glue, seam grip is super great. Check out links below. But this boot, after the original glue failed, this boot has lasted for over 2,000 miles with seam grip still holding the sole together after Antarctica and Greenland and Yellowstone, where it's minus 40, minus 50 degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, super freezing. This stuff has held up better than almost anything. Shoe goo and all those are very good at room temperature, 70 degrees or 20 degrees or 21 degrees Celsius, but they completely turn solid when it's super cold. So I bring seam grip, oops, let me turn it just so you can see, for that case. So it's a very long trips. I can't recommend enough having a little bit of seam grip. That's all there is to say. When you need to glue something together, this is the answer to the problem. Please check out links below to aaronlundstedt.com/Greenland for more information on my long winter ski expedition kit so you too can stay warm and safe in your winter camping treks. Thank you very much for watching.